Punnett squares. Punnett squares are used to work out genotypes of offspring from two known parents. You can use this to work out phenotype and genotype ratios that are likely to occur. The best way to explain how to use Punnett squares is to work through an example. The allele for brown eyes, big B, is dominant, while blue eyes are recessive and are represented by little b. Work out the possible genotypes and phenotype ratio of the offspring of two brown-eyed, big B, little b individuals. The first thing we need to do to solve this question is work out the gametes that both of these individuals would produce. So if we look at big B, little b, they will each produce half big B gametes and half little b gametes. So we then put this around the square. So big B, little b, and big B, little b for the other parent. And then we just simply need to combine them. So we start with the top left corner and we combine big B from the left and big B from the top, making big B, big B. We then move on to the square on the top right, and so we combine big B from the left and little b from the top, giving us big B, little b. By convention, the dominant allele is written first. We then carry on and do the same for the bottom row, so we have a little b from the right and a big B from the top. So this gives us big B, little b. And then for the last square, we have a little b from the left and a little b from the top. So combining these, we get little b, little b. So those are our genotypes. Now we want to work out a genotype ratio like we were asked in the question. So for the ratio shown, we can see that the only big B genotype is in that top square, so it's 1. And for big B, little b, it is in 2 squares, and little b is in 1 square. So we get a ratio of 1 to 2 to 1 for the genotypes. Now if we look at the phenotype ratios, the only phenotypes are brown or blue eyes. Now brown is dominant, so in all of the genotypes that have big B, they will have brown eyes. So that is 3 of the squares of the Punnett square. And in the other one, genotype, little b, that individual will have blue eyes. So we get a ratio of 3 to 1. So that is how you use a Punnett square. I hope you have learnt something. If you are unsure, read the next information slides. Otherwise, carry on and do some questions.